Hello, beautiful, wealthy, successful, money making traders. I love you. I love you because you are kind, thoughtful, and considerate. Thank you so much. By the way, I'm doing fantastic. The only reason I stopped making videos is because I pretty much said everything. But I've noticed as of late, the economic reports have been more challenging for me. And it seems that the days of easy money during an economic report are over. So I'm not loving that. As most of you know, my favorite trading strategy is the Forex step trading strategy with the moving stop loss. If you do not know the strategy that I'm talking about, I've made a video in two parts. It has part 1 and part 2, and it's called the Forex step trading strategy. Go back and look at that video, and this video will make more sense to you if you don't know what I'm talking about. Before you have the Euro JPY on the 5-minute time frame. This is Thursday's price action during the economic report. Now, this is the economic report candle. You have the strong breaking close above this 10 SMA. This is my 10, and this is my 200 SMA. However, within an hour's time, you have a strong break and close of that same 10 SMA in the opposite direction. So you know the step strategy will not work for you in this situation. When you have a situation like that where you have the strong break and close of the 10 in one direction, and then within an hour's time, you have a strong break and close in the opposite direction. One or two things is going on. Either you have a full reversal or you have a swinging market. In this case, we have a swinging market. We have a swinging market. You have the strong break and close. However, you have this flagship reversal candle that has been rejected from that 200 period SMA. So when you have a situation like that, you are looking to trade for 10 in the direction of the trend. In this case, you are looking to buy this market for 10 pips worth of profit with your stop beneath this flagship candle. Now, if you come back to break and close below this candle, get out of that market. I'm not going to tell you where to place your stop under here. That's solely up to you. But what you do, you wait through the next swing, and once you get the break and close again, well, let's just take this 10 SMA out right now because we don't need it. Here you're trading solely off price action. So once you get the next bullish candle, then you are looking to trade again for 10 in a bullish manner with your stop loss beneath the candle, the flagship candle, and you have to wait for the candle to close before you enter the market. Now you continue this process until one, you're either stopped out or you get the breakout. Once you get the breakout, if you then want to trade the step method with the moving stop loss, that's solely up to you. But you're looking at this market and you may be wondering how it is that I know that this is a bullish market. Well, as a short-term trader, the most important trend for me is the trend that I'm in. And you can see prior to the report, we had this little bearish trend. However, now we have the strong break and close above that 200 SMA, and the trend is just beginning, which lets me know I'm above the 200 on the 5. So that's one thing that lets me know I'm bullish. Another thing is I began to make a series of higher lows. Now initially you're not going to know that you are making a higher low until you get the flagship candle with the reversal and you continue on. But a good rule of thumb is if you are above the 200 SMA on the 5-minute time frame, chances are you're bullish. Now, if there is an exception, if you have run a trend for a while and you began to make lower highs, then you may be starting on a bearish trend. And the opposite of that is if you are below the 200 SMA, then chances are you are in a bearish market. And keep in mind, again, the most important trend to me is the trend that I'm trading right now. If you still have problems determining the direction of your trend, then you can also go to a higher time frame. Now here you can see this is that economic candle. You have that breaking close above that 10 SMA, and you can see you beginning to make a series of higher lows. The thing that was so challenging about this market is you spent hours in this swing before you got the strong break and close in the direction of the trend. Now if you wanted to trade this on the hourly time frame, once you got the breakout with the moving stop loss, that would have definitely been a successful trade for you. Guys, you mean the world to me. You are so kind and so good to me. Thank you. I want to wish you a very, very Merry Christmas, a Happy Hanukkah, a Happy Kwanzaa, Feliz Navidad, and any holiday that you're celebrating with your family. May God's richest and best blessings always be yours.